I am comforted. I walked in here and I saw the gentleman in front here who's been looking after our finances was looking after our finances for a long time, as well as playing good golf. Nisambulu. This signing ceremony marks a very important milestone in our collective endeavor for countries in the region to access to some form of disaster risk insurance to support building national resilience and early recovery from any major disaster. You understand only too well the cyclic manner in which we have cyclones and all the natural disasters that come our way. We are Lotu, but we still have disasters. So we must have insurance. We all agree that disasters will get more frequent. We're fortunate that the depression that was approaching us is being diverted by the power of nature or by the power of our prayers, I do not know. And these disasters will become more frequent and more intense because of climate change. Therefore, we need to be innovative and have the necessary financing mechanism and instruments and tools in place. Risk insurance, as you are very well aware, is one of such important mechanisms. And the establishment of this catastrophe risk insurance company is a step in the right direction, which Fiji is happy to support. You probably know that the cabinet approved the cabinet paper that came up with this proposal, and I'm comfortable sitting here and ready to sign with the backing of the cabinet of Fiji. We will work with our partners such as PCRIC to listen and respond to our Pacific priorities and amplify our Pacific global climate leadership. It's my hope that the HCA with Fiji will be used as a springboard for PCRIC and an opportunity to embrace lessons learned and how these experiences and lessons on risk insurance can be applied across the region. Working with PCRIC is the region's rededication to strengthening disaster resilience to safeguard lives and livelihoods and ensure that no one is left behind. Thank you very much. Malopito.
But thank you so much for that brilliant, articulative remarks that you just delivered. It's touched my heart and I'm humbled to sit and listen to it. Thank you so much. Honorable Prime Minister, Board Director Barry Whiteside, former Reserve Governor of Fiji, Permanent Secretaries, senior officials of government, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable Prime Minister, thank you sincerely for the time offered to Pacific Catastrophe Risk Insurance Company today. It is deeply appreciated. Today's event marks a historical milestone. The permissions for PCRIC to officially operate from Fiji as the first regional organization dedicated to providing rapid financial protections against natural disasters in the Pacific. This innovative instrument ensures countries can access quick cash to support immediate relief following disasters. Before we proceed with the signing of the host agreement, allow me to briefly share a very brief background in the journey of PCRIC from the first day to where we are here today. Prime Minister, recently I was ordained by our church president to be the lay preacher here in Fiji, to look after our Tongan student. And I was jokingly before you came in, that usually we take 2 hours to deliver our sermon. So perhaps you can bear with me the next 2 hours. I take this opportunity to also... Thank you so much. PCRIC, Honorable Prime Minister, is the youngest regional organization established by the Pacific Finance Ministers under the Forum Economic Ministers meeting in 2015, regional architecture. It is a development insurer providing sovereign parametric coverage on a macro level protection, designed to safeguard national budgets or the country's physical balances against national shocks. From its inception, Honorable Prime Minister, PCRIC was supported financially and technically by the World Bank until December 2022. Today, Honorable Prime Minister, we are proud to announce that we are operating independently from the World Bank, but they continue to support us technically. Governed by the Pacific Catastrophe Risk Insurance Foundation law under a council of 14 members, 10 Pacific Island countries and 4 donors partners, United States, the United Kingdom, Japan, and Germany. 4 more countries in the Pacific left to join, namely Nauru, Kiribati, Tuvalu, Palau, which we are working hard in the coming years to see if we can bring them on. Honorable Prime Minister, so we are seeking your indulgence. Perhaps maybe when you meet up with these Pacific leaders, you can also advocate for the beautiness of PCRIC. Our ambition is to extend coverage to all 14 Pacific Island countries within the next 2 years, given the fact that we are established by the leaders. Donor partners have been instrumental, providing US $36 million in starting capital, in addition to about $17 million US for premium financing, education, and product development under a single and joint grant agreement with the Crop Issue Solution Platform, a crop law initiative launched during the COP27 in Sharm el-Sheikh in Egypt. We are also awaiting additional capital from Japan through the ADB, which will further strengthen PCRIC capacity to cover disaster risk. This is expected to be announced during the ADB annual meeting next year in May 2026. Honorable Prime Minister, PCRIC, Thomas Island, Cook Island, simply because of the captive law that they have, there was the decision made by the firm. So it was established to recognize significant issues that we are facing. The rising cost of disasters, it's not sustainable, to always impacting our regional development, and to fill the critical gaps left by the private sector in terms of accessibility and affordability. Honorable Prime Minister, PCRIC is one of the only 4 risk pools worldwide designed to deliver rapid cash within 10 days post-disaster. There is one in Caribbean, one in Africa, one in Asia, and PCRIC. We are jointly working together with them to learn lessons and see how are we going to apply here in the region. We are not saying that we are innovating the financial architecture in the region. We are just re-engineering the financial aspect so that our people in the region, particularly through government, can access. It is a world-class disaster risk finance, Honorable Prime Minister, financing mechanism, combining financial protections with technical expertise to build countries resilient and strengthen climate change adaptability. Our growth has been remarkable, with more clients, more policies, and broader coverage than ever before. It would be remiss of me not to acknowledge Fiji as a valued partner and active client, holding a cyclone policy with us for the past 2 years and continuing to renew in recognition of imminent strike of a disaster, natural disaster. Honorable Prime Minister, while the provisions of pre-arranged safeguard remains central to PCRIC mandate, we are increasingly investing in education and capacity building to strengthen local expertise in disaster risk finance. We have learned that the region still requires deeper technical knowledge and skills in this space. To address this, PCRIC will launch its scholarship program in 2026. Applications are open, offering students from any Pacific Island country the opportunity to pursue degree qualifications in disaster risk finance through the University of the South Pacific. Discussions are also underway, Honorable Prime Minister, with universities in the US, Australia, and Germany to expand opportunities within this ecosystem, with finalization expected in 2026. Honorable Prime Minister, the formal recognition of PCRIC as an international organization will elevate both the visibility of disaster preparedness and the unique needs of the Pacific Island nations. It will also strengthen our ability to attract the global north, support funding and innovations to mitigate risk and enhance resilience. PCRIC is now better positioned to take the Pacific case to the global north and community and secure the resources required. I'm honored and proud to represent PCRIC and the foundations and the board directors here today. I extend my gratitude to the Office of the Prime Minister and your good self, sir, and Cabinet for their ongoing support and confidence in our mandate. Allow me, Honourable Prime Minister, to conclude by encapsulating PCRIC's mission, which is broadly covered in what I call 3 A's. 1, availability. 2, accessibility. The last one is affordability. Yes, we are available to serve your country, to serve the Pacific. Yes, we are accessible. We have resources to provide to subsidize the premium of your country and other countries in the Pacific. And yes, we are affordable when we are joining collectively to go to the market because of the scale that we created rather than a country going individually. Thank you so much, sir, again, Honourable Prime Minister, for your time. And I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.